Hi there, it's Jonathan. In this video, I'd like to give you 15 ideas about how you can make money online, working from home, using the Zoom web conferencing platform. Now, this is perfect for coaches, consultants, authors, or anybody who wants to be one, okay? So I'm going to talk about how you can add one or more income streams to your business with tools you're probably already using. Imagine working from home or anywhere you want, living the laptop lifestyle and doing the job once and getting paid forever. If you've ever had a vision of starting an online business, or you can see yourself adding it to your main thing as a side hustle, let me show you how it's done, because you can use Zoom. Zoom is being used for meetings to communicate and educate all over the world right now. Now, I don't know if you saw the world's best known personal development guru, Tony Robbins, running a couple of these live events with thousands of people on Zoom as he stood in a studio and addressed them all. Even Britain's Got Talent has had all of the audience tune in online using video conferencing. You're probably already using Zoom, or you can always sign up for a free account at www.zoom.us. Now, you can use Zoom to communicate on video, and you can record both the audio and the video. So you might be thinking, who cares? Why should I bother? So let me give you some real life examples. Now, I've got 2 YouTube channels, and at this point I've got over 500 videos on there that I've built up over the last 20 years. So I often get leads and inquiries, business inquiries, from people who already met me in a video. This is my online course on business networking. It's called Turn Your Contacts into Contracts. And that's a whole training course on video with handouts that sells on the web 24/7 to the world globally, and it was created on Zoom. Here's InstantEdgeOnline.com, which is my year-long marketing training for business owners who want to grow their profits and do it themselves. Again, members pay me a monthly fee to access the training on that membership site, and I'm not there. So you can do what I'm doing and record yourself talking about your knowledge, your skills, your experience, your interests, and then you could turn that into a book. Now, I've got 6 non-fiction books on my Amazon author page, and I've also got 3 novels out there. My first book, Ignite and Unshackle, was written in 2006, and people say when they read it, they can hear my voice talking. Well, that's probably because the book was transcribed from my live seminars, so it is me talking. Then there's my CD sets. So if you teach a weekend seminar once, it's done, it's over. The only people who benefit from it were the students who were there on the day. But if you record it, it's evergreen, and you can impact a lot more people and get paid over and over and over again. Now, maybe you're not that familiar with Zoom. That's okay. I have several videos on how to set it up and use it on my YouTube channel. So I'll put the link below this video somewhere that you can follow that through. Now, some people are scared to death of the tech issues. Truth is, Zoom is pretty easy to use. There's even an app for your smartphone. Now, appearing on video does take a bit of getting used to, but honestly, once you've done it a few times, you kind of get a taste for it. But think about it, it's better than a phone call, because now you can hear and see the other person too. So you can see their body language, all the little nuances, all the emotions in a conversation. Now, you can also see what kind of books are on their bookcases behind them as well. So, what about the time it takes? For years, my coach told me that if you're speaking at an event or to a group, Jonathan, record it. If you're teaching people, record it. Now, I ignored that advice for years, which is a shame, because I could have captured a ton of good stuff. But from the point where I did start capturing most of it, I now have a huge vault of material. So it's a case of doing it once and getting paid forever. That's why it's called a royalty. So a huge benefit of using Zoom is that you can record stuff so people can play it back later. Now, if like me, you have a face for radio, fine, use PowerPoint or Keynote slides and just use your voice. You don't actually have to be in the video. You can always keep your camera off and just have your image on there. If you're a consultant in a particular field or area of expertise, or you want to be one, you can communicate your skills and knowledge and advise your client over the Zoom platform. You can record your screen, you can share your screen, you can have an online chat, and you can record each session so they have a complete record of the discussion. You're helping people, you're solving problems, and you can charge by the hour or by the block of sessions, whatever you want to do, with anyone, anywhere in the world. Think about the possibilities. If you're a life coach or a health coach or an eating coach or a business coach or an underwater basket weaving coach, whatever, you can have a group of paying clients all call in to your group coaching class at a certain date and time. And you take them through a 4-week or a 90-day program, whatever. They pay up front or they pay in monthly installments. You've got an agenda or a game plan, and there's individual coaching in there. So you carefully take your members through a powerful series of lessons over a number of weeks that changes them. And of course, if you record it, you've got all that material. You could turn it into a book or an online course that you can sell forever, right? Then there's virtual summits, where a group of experts all get together to work as a team and everybody benefits. You host the event, and each expert then gets a chunk of time to teach something valuable, and then they take questions. Students pay to attend, and the profits are then divided between all the experts. Let's move on to using Zoom for lead generation. Every business under the sun needs new prospects, and here's how you can do that. First of all, create some traffic magnet videos. So I advise that you start by recording talking head videos like this, answering the frequently asked questions that your target market are asking. Now, if you don't know what they're asking, use a great website called answerthepublic.com. Set up a Zoom call by yourself, hit record, and shoot a 1-minute video answering that question. Right? You record it, you then upload that recording to YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Make sure you include a link sending them somewhere. It's a traffic magnet video, maybe to your website or your offering or your webinar. We'll come to webinars in a minute. You can also offer 15-minute strategy calls, which is a free chat in confidence where the person can get to know you. You get to know them, and you can find out what problems your audience is having right now, and you can give them bespoke, tailor-made coaching to help them figure it out and move them in the right direction. Then there's online virtual networking. Weekly business networking, like Club 555, for example. You can get in front of 20 or more business owners and decision makers who you can share your details with, and they can share that with their connections. Now, most virtual networking events allow you to do a 60-second pitch. So in your 60-second pitch, make sure to mention your webinar and give them a link to it. Perhaps more importantly is what you do after the networking event, and that's what we call a one-to-one, where you identify 2 or 3 of the other attendees in the celebrity squares as potential clients or joint ventures or partners. Or maybe they ask for help and you know that you can help them, or you know someone who can. That's where the relationships are built, and that's where the opportunities pop out. And they're as simple as arranging a Zoom meeting. No petrol expenses, no parking to pay, no need to get dressed up from the waist down. You can teach a webinar or a virtual class, 30-40 minutes of good, valuable content, and then you have an offer of your product or service at the end. So you put together a short and simple PowerPoint presentation, so you can bring in a helpful visual element so people can see what you're teaching. You simply prepare your slides, your speaking notes, and then you hit record. That's then up forever on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and it will drive traffic to your offer. You can record podcasts. Take all of your FAQ videos, upload them to anchor.fm. Now you've got a podcast show with several episodes that will get syndicated out to all the major podcast platforms. including Spotify, Google Play, iTunes. Now, if you've done any of this stuff, by this point you're ready and you're well practiced enough to move into product creation. So imagine having an online course like Udemy or Teachable. You can create your course first and then turn it into a book. You send the videos to rev.com and they transcribe it to you for free. Another product creation thing you can do is meditation audios or self-hypnosis tracks. Get yourself a good meditation or guided visualization script off the interwebs. Record yourself reading it out in your best hypnotic and relaxing voice. And you can use free sound recording software called Audacity. Get some royalty-free meditation music from incompetech.com, and you can combine your voice and your music into a cool guided relaxation audio. You can then sell that on Etsy or eBay. Or imagine if you built up a collection of 10 or 20 different tracks, all selling globally 24/7. You do it once, you get paid forever. Is this giving you ideas? How about writing a book? Take all of your FAQ scripts and your webinar script, add a story or bio at the start, and you've got a book. Now, I've got another video on how to write a book quickly and easily on YouTube, so have a look. But once you've got a book, you can then use each of those chapters as a script to create a video to camera. And now, you've got an online course. So you can dictate a book and turn it into an online course, or you can create an online course and let Rev transcribe it for you, and now you've got a book. And it's all free. How about paid workshops? Paid workshops. Hold a 1 or 2 hour paid event where you teach a topic and you interact with your students. You list it on Eventbrite, Facebook events, LinkedIn events, and then you teach it. You record it too. You can then repurpose that seminar into an online course or a book, or sell it as an off-the-shelf product as a corporate training for businesses. Keynote speeches. You offer your services as a speaker, you teach good content, you've got a PowerPoint presentation on, and you do the whole thing on Zoom. You prepare your slides, your speaking notes, you hit record, you charge a speaking fee for your time. Now, once you've got that signature talk prepared, you can deploy that same presentation. It's all ready to go. Here's another idea, Amazon affiliate. Sign up at Amazon.com as an affiliate. You can instantly resell any product that Amazon sells and you make a commission. So buy a product you like, when it arrives, do an unboxing video and then do a review video of the product. Post them on social media with your Amazon link on it. That's up forever. So if anyone clicks that link and they go through to Amazon and they buy that product, you get paid a commission. Network marketers, another obvious way to make money online, and Zoom can be used for 3-way calls where you introduce your prospects to your upline sponsor, for team training, for supporting your downline promoters, for new product training, you name it. If you're signing up to a supplement company or a beauty product or a health company, you can use Zoom to grow your business and grow your monthly commissions. Is this giving you ideas yet? How about expert interviews? So we prepare a series of questions. The expert knows what questions I'm going to ask them. They can have a cheat sheet on the wall beside their computer, and I interview them. They don't have to travel, they don't have to come to me, so it's cost effective. That can then be edited, and a nice intro added, and now we've got a very natural and authentic interview show, or a show reel, or an Ask the Expert style video that shows off their expertise and credibility, which they can then put on YouTube, LinkedIn, whatever, to get clients. So there you have it. Several ideas, I think about 15, for you to start or grow an existing business and make money online at home using Zoom. Now, we've got a flagship program called the Guru Factory. It's actually right there. Where over 90 days, we help our client write their signature talk and get it all over the internet. We handle all of the technology for them. We do the transcribing. We organize the PowerPoint slides. We even set up all the social media platforms for you and build out your online course for you, or a book, or a CD set, or a live workshop, or all of them. And that's about step 5 in a 9-step roadmap which takes our clients from struggling and invisible to impacting thousands of people without years of trying to figure it out themselves. So my question would be, do you fancy making money while you sleep? How confident are you that you could do all of the above steps? I've tried to strip it right back and make it as simple as possible and as low cost as possible. Now, as I said, we do all this for you as part of the Guru Factory program. So if you'd like to get crystal clear on the first steps that you should be taking right now, then schedule a call with me and we'll take a look at how using Zoom fits into your overall business plan. We help entrepreneurial people who want to have books, courses and products online as their main income stream or as a side hustle. Either way, we can help you. So see the details below this video and let's you and I have a chat. Take it easy. See you later.